The bigger question seems to be, Mohammed, it's, the news from Italy is really just adding to the bigger picture in Europe, which is full of uncertainty. I mean, you've got a year ahead. We're nearly at the end of 2016. 2017 is going to be dominated by domestic politics when you look at the European Union. Dutch, French, Germans, possibly even the British are going to the polls.
Well, it's very interesting because the market at the moment is one where you can get the event completely right. So you could have called Brexit completely right and still have ended up losing money because the market reacted in a way that we really didn't expect. So, for example, after Brexit happened, we thought that volatility would rise. It actually fell. After the US election, we thought that the equity markets would fall. They did for about a few hours, and then they rallied again. And on this Italian referendum, basically the market was surprised by the level of the no vote at nearly 60%, and the euro has rallied. So it's really been a case of where you get the analysis completely right, but the market has decided to do other things. Now the question really is, at what point does that revert? And we think that this may be something that goes on at least until the Trump inauguration on January the 20th, and then the market is really going to have to decide at what point does this bad news actually be bad news. And I think one of the things that the market may be overlooking at the moment is the potential of trade friction between China and the US.